Sort. To arrange or organize things into groups or categories. She sorted the books by color. He sorted the laundry into whites and colors. We need to sort the files alphabetically. They sorted the recyclables into different bins. Can you sort these cards by size?